This is our 2014 General Electric profile refrigerator. This refrigerator replaced our 2006 KitchenAid refrigerator that only lasted 8 years and it crapped out. And so we got this one. Well, it seems obviously Octember has affected us. One time, the freezer's circulation fan crapped out 2 years ago. This fridge was only 2 years old when that crapped out. And now, just a few days ago, the circulation fan for the fridge cabinet just crapped out. And so my dad ordered another one online. And so there's a power cord sticking out, plugged into an outlet right there. And I'll show you. As you see, my father, there's all the parts, the plastic parts from inside here. They're still right there. My father took this all apart. This is where the blower fan went. And this is a mid to late 90s Lasco 5-6-inch desk or 8-inch desk fan. That's the substitute circulation fan for the fridge. And it appears to be working pretty well. But when it happened, it wasted over $200 worth of food, worth of dairy products, worth of baked food and leftovers. And as you see, it's working quite well. It's like 41, 42 degrees. It's unbelievable, you know. This is a $3,000 refrigerator. My father paid $3,000 with some payment plan. I think I don't remember everything, but $3,000 in my opinion in the trash, because we went through 2 circulation fans, one for the freezer and now one for the fridge, and you know it's ridiculous. You know, typical made in China. And actually, here I'll show you the info. General Electric. R134A, 5.375 ounces. You see, assembled in the USA. There are some parts made in China. That means nothing. Here's the freezer. Well, it's currently not running now. So here's all the parts. And here is the circulation fan that failed in the refrigerator. It's a Nidec motor. This is what looks like a computer fan motor that cools a computer. Talk about lack of quality. And of course, you guessed it. Come on, focus, come on. There you go. As you see right there, made in China. And look at, you see this? This thing is seized up. Almost. It's almost seized up. Sort of turns, but it is very stiff. You see, they seal these up so you can't service them. And they make it so difficult to take apart just to have access to these motors, these fans. You see? Typical piece of Chinese shit. And that shows you how Octember has affected us. This was only a couple days ago, and my folks, I had to help them clear out the fridge since all the food went bad in there. All right, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Happy Halloween.